SOL Algebra 2, Chapter 6, Shapes of Functions by JonathanL. Definitions. Polynomial, an expression consisting of two or more terms. Rational, a number capable of being expressed using a ratio of two numbers. Function, a relation between two expressions in which the second expression is assigned to each the expression of the first. Exponential, rising in a constant quick rate. So for my hook, I did a hook with numbers on it. Problem number 1. The graph of the parent function is shown. Identify each function that belongs to this family. Answer A. The function of f is equal to -2 over x squared. B. Function h is equal to x squared minus 4 over x plus 2. Answer C. Function g is equal to 4 over x minus 2. Answer D. Function j is equal to x minus 4 over x. Now that we know the problem, we must first find out what kind of function it is. It is a rational function, so we need to plug the answers into our calculator and see which of these functions matches the graph. After doing this, we see that both answers C and D are rational functions, so they are the correct answers. Problem number 2. The graph of the parent function is shown. Identify each function that belongs to this family. Answer A. Function f is equal to square root of x plus 3. Answer B. Function g is equal to x squared plus 2 over x minus 3. Answer choice C. Function h is equal to the square root of x minus 4. Answer choice D. Function I is equal to x squared plus 3. Again, we now have a problem from the textbook, and again, we need to figure out what kind of function it is. It is a square root function, so again, we will need to plug in the answers and find out which functions matches the parent function. After we do that, we find out that both A and C both are square root functions, so they are the right answers. Real-world problem. Here we have two parent functions, and in a business, you will normally make a chart to show how your business is growing or shrinking. So here we have an exponential function and a square root function. There are two options we can take to grow faster or slower, so we plug numbers into the parent function and find out how much we will make in a certain period of time. Parent function 2 to the x and x squared. Function with numbers plugged in. 2 cubed equals 8, which matches the graph, so we know it's the correct. And cube square root of 3, which is approximately 1.3, which also matches up with the graph, showing that is correct. And this shows that you gain more from exponential growth because it's exponentially grows more and more the more you have. And to show this, I made a guy with the exponential parent function, and he's getting a lot of money. And I show the square root, and they're not getting as much money, but they're still getting a lot of money. They're still gaining money, at least. And the end.